The objective is to give appropriate names for organic compounds and show you how to draw the structure using the IUPAC name. IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The purpose of IUPAC is to have a common language for scientists to name compound.
The 4 different families of hydrocarbons include alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic compounds. Alkanes are atoms joined by single bonds only. Alkenes are at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Alkynes are at least one carbon-carbon triple bond, and aromatic compounds contain a ring of alternating single and double bonds.
Properties of unsaturated hydrocarbons include the following: alkenes, alkynes, aromatic compounds. They are held together by London forces, requires lower melting points and boiling points, and they are nonpolar molecules.
Properties of saturated hydrocarbons. They include alkanes only. They contain covalent bonds and are nonpolar molecules. They are attracted to one another by London forces. They require higher melting points and boiling points.
IUPAC rules for naming alkanes. Step 1. Name the parent chain. The parent chain is named by combining a numbering prefix which specifies the number of carbon atoms in the parent, with ane for single bonds, ene for double bonds, ine for triple bonds.
Step 2. Name any alkyl group substituents. Substituents are any other carbon groups that aren't part of the parent chain. Determine the point of attachment of substituents to the parent chain.
Step 3. Construct the name of the hydrocarbon by placing the substituent in alphabetical order and specify their position numbers, followed by the names of the parent chain. The parent chain is numbered from the end near the first hydrocarbon.
Step 4. The prefixes di, ti, tetra, etc. are added if 2 or more identical substituents are present. Do not consider these labels when determining the alphabetical order of the substituents. Our first example will be of an alkane. For number 1, name the parent chain. The carbon on the left-hand side will be number 1 because it is nearest the first substituent. So we will find the parent chain by numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since the long chain is 6 carbons, that will be the parent chain. So it will be a hexane. And hexane because there are no double bonds. Step number 2, name any alkyl group substituents. This one is called a methyl. If you look at the chart, 1 carbon is a methyl. The one on top is a propyl because there's 1, 2, 3 carbons. Step number 3. Construct the name of the hydrocarbon by placing the substituents in alphabetical order and specify their position numbers followed by the names of the parent chain. So in alphabetical order, methyl will be first. So it is on carbon chain number 4, so 4-methyl dash 2-propyl hexane. So the name of this alkane is 4-methyl 2-propyl hexane. Our second example will be of an alkene. Step 1 is to name the parent chain. So the end near the closest double bond is where you start the parent chain for alkenes and alkynes. So the left-hand side will be number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can pick either 5, it doesn't matter. And since there are 5, it is a pentene. Step number 2, name any alkyl group substituents. There's a methyl, and there's another methyl. And the first methyl is on carbon 3, so it's on carbon 3, and a methyl on carbon 4. So it would be 3, 4 dash dimethyl one pentene, because the double bond is on the first carbon. Our third example will be of an alkyne. So since the triple bond is in the middle, it doesn't matter which way we start numbering. So we can start from this end or this end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the triple bond is on carbon number 3, so you do 3 dash hexyne. And that is it. The last example we're going to do is of a cycloalkane. Step number 1, name the parent chain. Since this is a cyclo, it is only 5-sided, so it is a pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cyclopentane. Step number 2 is to name the alkyl group substituents. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be construct the name of the hydrocarbon. Butyl cyclopentane. That's it.
Yay!
Yay!
Done. How do you get? Kobe's really short.
Oh, wait, oh.
How do you?
He's just going away. Wait, this is like opposite of everything I'm doing. Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Wait, over here. Chewbacca. 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 Good girl. Chewbacca. 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 Hermione. Chewbacca. Good girl. Chewbacca. Good girl. Chewbacca. Good girl. Spin, Kobe. Spin. 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 Spin, Kobe. Down. Spin. Spin. Hop. Jump. Jump. Good boy.
Yay!